Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Learn French with Neelam, and our today's topic is French articles. And you can see that there are two kind of articles in French: definite articles and indefinite articles. So you have two kind of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. So you have four definite articles as you can see on your screen: le, la, l'apostrophe, les, and they all four mean the in English. So first one is le, that will be used for a masculine singular noun. Then you have la, that will be used for feminine singular noun. Then you have l'apostrophe, which will be used in front of a masculine or feminine but a noun that starts with a vowel. Then you have les, which will be used for masculine or feminine but plural noun. Let's have a look at the indefinite articles. You can see there are three indefinite articles: un, une, they. Un means a or an in English, and that will be used in front of a masculine singular noun. Then you have une, which again means a or an in English, but it will be used in front of a feminine singular noun. Last one you have they, which means some, and that will be used in front of masculine or feminine but plural noun. So these four articles définis, definite articles, le, la, l'apostrophe and les, what do these words exactly mean? These words mean, they all mean the. So how do we use them? So to use them, we should know that in French, every noun has a gender. It is masculine or feminine. And then your choice of definite article depends on the gender of the noun that follows. Is the word masculine or feminine? If your noun is singular, that means you're talking about only one thing, then you have to choose from le, la, l'apostrophe. In order to choose between le or la, you have to know the gender of the noun. So, we use le with masculine singular nouns. Let's see an example. You can see that the noun livre, which means book in English, is masculine in French. And if you want to say the book, you would say le livre. Le livre. Let's see another example. Since stylo, which means pen in English, stylo is masculine in French. So how would you say the pen? Le stylo. You would say le stylo. So you will be using le with a masculine singular noun. And you will use la with feminine singular nouns. Let's see some examples. Since the noun table, which means table in English, is feminine in French, and if you want to say the table, you would say la table. La table. Since bouteille, which means bottle in English, bouteille is feminine in French, how would you say the bottle? La bouteille. La bouteille. So you see that if the noun is feminine and singular, you will be using article la in front of that noun. So when do we use l'apostrophe? Let's see if you can figure out the rule. L'oignon, which means onion. l'ordinateur, which means computer, l'adresse, which means address, l'armoire, almirah, l'école, school, l'église, the church. You can see some words are masculine, some are feminine. So what do these French words have in common? That's right. They all start with a vowel and they are singular. And let's see, oignon, adresse, école, they all start with a vowel and they all are singular. So when you have a noun which starts with a vowel, no matter it's feminine or masculine, we will use L apostrophe in front of that noun. So you will be using L apostrophe with feminine, masculine, singular nouns that start with vowel, and you can see the example in front of you, l'ordinateur, l'assiette. L'ordinateur is masculine, l'assiette is feminine, but they all start with the vowel. That's why we are using L apostrophe. So now we have the last definite article, which is les, and this will be used with a noun which can be masculine or feminine, but it has to be plural. And if the noun is plural, there is only one definite article that we can use, which is les. For example, if you want to say the teachers, in French you will say les professeurs. Les professeurs. So with a noun which can be masculine or feminine, but it has to be plural, then you will be using les with that noun. So if a noun is plural, you don't really need to know if it's masculine or feminine to choose the correct article, because there is only one plural article, which is les. But I would suggest that you should know whether a noun is masculine or feminine. So how do we use definite articles? Definite articles are used when we refer to a particular or specific thing. Let's have some examples. C'est le sac de Sophie. C'est le sac de Sophie. It's Sophie's bag. So here it is not just any bag. It is Sophie's bag. So here we are particularly referring to Sophie's bag. Okay, let's see the next example. Ce sont les livres de Paul. Ce sont les livres de Paul. These are Paul's book. Again, they are not just any book. They are Paul's book. So you have a particular reference there that they are Paul's book. So when you are referring to particular and specific things, you will use definite articles. There is another situation where you will be using definite articles. They are used when we refer to the general sense of a noun to general concepts. Let's see examples. Les fleurs sont belles. Les fleurs sont belles. Flowers are beautiful. So we're talking about flowers in general. It's a general thing. Flowers are beautiful. There also you will be using Articles Définis. Let's have the other example. Les enfants sont innocents. Les enfants sont innocents. Children are innocent. So again we are talking about a general concept that children are innocent. There also you will be using Articles Définis, definite articles. Now let's move to Articles Indéfinis, indefinite articles. So you have three indefinite articles, un, une, des. So in front of a masculine singular noun, we use un. In front of a feminine singular noun, we use un. In front of a masculine or feminine plural noun, we use they. Let's have some examples with these three indefinite articles. So we have, first is un crayon, a pencil. Second is une lampe, a lamp. Des chaises, some chairs. Un oignon, an onion. Une pomme, an apple. Des amis, some friends. Because crayon, pencil, is masculine in French, we are using un crayon. Lampe is feminine in French, we are saying une lampe. And chaises, they are feminine, but here they are plural, that's why we are using des chaises. Oignon is masculine and singular, we are saying un oignon. Une pomme, apple, is feminine in French and it is singular here, so we are using une pomme. Amis, friends, they are plural, that's why we are using des amis. Let's have some examples with un, une, des. And you must know that these are indefinite articles and they don't refer to any specific item or thing. So we have the first example, j'ai un stylo, I have a pen. Il a des amis, he has some friends. C'est une table, it's a table. Ce sont des chaises, these are chairs. So in these sentences, we are not referring to any particular item, there is no specific indication to something. We are saying in general that I have a pen, he has friends, that's a table, these are chairs. So when you are not referring to something particular, we are using indefinite articles. Merci et à bientôt. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And guys, do comment. Thank you.